Some companies build properties. We build careers that shape the future of an industry. Belentino is a UK property renovation, investment, and technology company based in central London. Since 2003, we have delivered exceptional outcomes for homeowners, investors, and institutions across London and the South East. Our headquarters at Great Portland Street places us at the heart of one of the world's most dynamic property markets. We operate at the intersection of physical craftsmanship and digital innovation. Our proprietary investment platform serves thousands of UK property investors with tools spanning market intelligence, deal scoring, and portfolio management. Our renovation and extension services transform homes across 17 disciplines. This is not a company that does one thing. This is a company that does everything, and does it to the highest standard. Construction and delivery is the foundation of everything we do. Our project managers, quantity surveyors, and site teams deliver residential renovations and extensions from pre-construction through to handover. You will manage significant budgets. You will coordinate trades across structural, mechanical, electrical, and finishing disciplines. You will solve problems that require both technical knowledge and commercial judgment. If you take pride in building things properly, this is where you belong. Our investment and advisory team analyses property opportunities using real market data, comparable evidence, and proprietary scoring models. Analysts build financial models covering yield, return metrics, cash flow, and stress testing. Business development managers identify opportunities and build relationships with investors, developers, and professional intermediaries. Our graduate program offers structured training for those beginning their career in property finance. If numbers drive your decisions and data sharpens your instinct, we want to hear from you. Our technology team builds the platform that powers everything. A cloud-native, edge-deployed architecture processing thousands of requests with sub-50 millisecond latency. Real-time market data pipelines, AI scoring algorithms, and machine learning models that analyze every property in the UK. Our developers ship features that directly impact how people find, analyze, and invest in property. If you want to write code that matters, not just code that compiles, this is the place. Our marketing and growth team shapes how the world sees Belentino. Content strategy, search optimization, email marketing, social media, brand communications, and video production. You will write articles that position Belentino as the authority in UK property investment. You will manage campaigns that drive platform adoption and market share. If you can tell a story that moves people to act, we have a stage for you. 6 values define who we are. Craftsmanship, because quality is non-negotiable. Intellectual rigor, because decisions must be evidence-based. Ownership, because we trust people to deliver, not just participate. Integrity, because transparency matters, especially when the news is difficult. Ambition, because we exist to be the best, not the biggest. And collaboration, because great outcomes require great teamwork. Belentino is growing. We are scaling from a London-focused operation to a national platform. From a focused toolkit to a comprehensive ecosystem. From a team of specialists to an organization that sets the standard for the industry. Every role we hire today shapes what this company becomes tomorrow. Your career trajectory here is limited only by your ability and ambition. We offer competitive compensation, a generous holiday allowance, professional development budget, hybrid working from our central London office, and an optional pension contribution. But beyond the package, we offer something harder to find. A team that respects your expertise, a culture that rewards initiative, and work that genuinely matters. We are hiring across every discipline. Senior project managers, investment analysts, full-stack developers, quantity surveyors, marketing managers, business development leads, and graduate analysts ready to start their career in property. Whether you build with your hands, your mind, or your code, there is a place for you here. Belentino. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Your career starts at belentino.com/careers.